Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P Fire, aka P the Hard Way, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera, come back in shot, and then we're gonna do it like we're doing it for IMAX. So let's do it. Oh, 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 here comes the hammer. Oh, 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 here comes the hammer. Guys, let me get my hair out the way and then we're gonna get into this. My beautiful people, you already see what it's looking like. It's looking like I'm going raving, you know what I mean, in the 90s. I got my little waistcoat on, you know what I mean? Ba, 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 ba. Anywho, today, my beautiful people, we're gonna get some Adidas Y3 action going on. So we have this Adidas Y3 cap and waistcoat combination. All right, my beautiful people, so Y3 and Adidas is a long-standing collaboration. Yohiji Yamamoto is a long-standing collaboration, and yeah, they've been doing the do for over 20 years, maybe 30 years now, I'm sure. So this is just a piece that, again, Mans is just showing you a little something different from the norm, but you know, in keeping with the form. Something like that. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let me just button this up and we're gonna get into it like we're doing it for the TV, okay? So my beautiful people, today, like I said, we have this Y3 Adidas, and this is called the Earth print or something. Planet Earth or True Earth, something like this. This form, you see the green, the gradient greens. So as you can see, you've got that green, that turquoise, that blue, that, you know, sort of gradiented vibe in this mesh nylon waistcoat. Let's talk about the waistcoat, shall we? So of course we got skyrocket ear, left hand side, right hand side. You wouldn't put your hands in because then you'd be walking around like that. But you know, if you wanted to drop something in, let me grab the dog and bone. If you wanted to put the dog and bone in, you could put it in, but then it would be a little bit too heavy. So really, don't put anything in there too heavy. You just want to keep it nice and simple. All right. So really, I would put maybe a couple bit of Haribos, maybe some polos in there. But other than that, don't do too much because then you'll get saggy pockets. And nobody likes a saggy pocket, right? Anyway, so top layer, you've got the exact same thing. Equilibrium Film, beautiful thing. You've got another set of pockets there. Again, don't put anything in there that will make it saggy pocket. Nobody wants a saggy pocket rocket. Okay, really, really dope. Of course, you've got these fixtures here, which are hooks and a rope and a hook. Classic combination. You need a hook, you need a rope, you put them together, you've got closure. Bang. Sweet as a nut, sweet like Tropicana. Now you have un, deux, trois, 3 of these things here, which keeps you nice and secure. You can't fall out of this if you got all 3 done up. If you only do 2 up, you might fall out of it, but who knows. Okay, really nice. Again, let me give you the 12 to the RJ to the 12. Let me give you a little close-up so you can see. Really, really super dope. I mean, I love this piece, man. Again, I got this on a sale. I saw it on End, but then I did my little research and then I ended up getting it from a website in Poland. Vitach or something, and I think I got it even cheaper. It was on sale, but I got this for a steal. So super happy about that. And who doesn't like a bargain? You know, when you're counting the pennies, bargains work a treat. So let me just give you the insignia right there. Y3 Adidas Yohiji Yamamoto, shall I say. This is a size medium. Now I love the little touch here. You see that little Y3 touch right at the back there. C'est bon. C'est belle, c'est beautiful, magnifique, love it. And also, look at this. It's got like a double panel bit. So, you know, it's just like if you want to hide a little something in that double panel, you probably won't be hiding it much, but you could probably carry something in there. You know what I mean? So, yeah, super nice. Let me show you what it looks on the inside. Just like a normal little vest. Really, really dope. It does give a little effect. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. Because of the zigzagginess, it sort of gives you that sort of, you know, visual effect right there, you know, like your kaleidoscope. I'm not sure if it's picking it up, but hey. Of course, you got your little labellet there. This is a size medium, as I said. Really, really fire. Now, this Earth thing, it's got trackies. I think it's got like a big jacket. It's got a long top. It's got a t-shirt. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. It might even have a bag. I've only got the waistcoat, you know what I mean, because I'm keeping it 90s, and I've got the hat. Let's have a look at the hat. The hat, c'est bon, c'est magnifique, c'est belle. You see it's got that same sort of earth printage right there. I've just sweated it out, but that's fine. Let me give you a little close-up right there. Give you the toilage. So you've got a black brim, you've got a sort of black half bit, and the other side is that earth print right there. Of course, you've got Y3 in that plastisol right there, which is in white. Give you the little toilage. You've got a clip, a nice little clip hook right there. Let me do that for you. Oops. So you just push that in like that, et voila. Super nice little thing. Of course, you've got that nice little earth gradiented thing there. I call it a thing, I don't know. Now let's look inside. You've got that nice little mesh, of course, help you with the breathability. There you go, you've got your Y3 logo right there, and of course you've got your label telling you what it is. So this is a Y3 tech cap. Really nice. This I actually did get from End because I found it cheapest on End. So yeah, I'm doing my off-key kind of 90s raver shtick, you know, with a waistcoat and a matching cap, you know. Shout out to the Mosh gang, you know what I mean. Shout out Theo Nasser, he knows about a waistcoat and a cap combo, you know what I mean. But yeah, this is what it is, guys. Not too much to say other than this is fly. Oh, I did have an extra piece to show you. It's not the Y3 t-shirt, but I did get a t-shirt to go along with it. Okay, now I got this t-shirt. As you can see, matches beautifully with the color scheme, and this is a Song for the Mute, I believe. Song for the Mute. It's a collaboration that Adidas did. I'm not 100% sure what the whole story is, but this is a Adidas Song for the Mute SFTM, and it's medium hazy green and tech forest. So as you can see, guys, really fresh t-shirt. You see the Adidas insignia there. You see that Song for the Mute right there. Look at this bit, guys, the other side, beautiful. Look at that gradient. I would open it, but I can't be bothered. You know, I'll open it at some point when I intend to wear it, but yeah, super nice. Yeah, great. I got this on sale once again. You know I love a sale. You got that Adidas insignia right there, can't go wrong. Song for the Mute, blue tag right there, really nice. So you know, might catch me wearing this, like a coordinated wanker, oops, pardon my language, and yeah, I'll be out in these streets looking mad foresty, mad earth tony, you know what I mean? So yeah, that is that, guys. You got your Song for the Mute Adidas t-shirt, you got your Y3 Adidas cap, and then you got your Y3 Adidas waistcoat. What more do you want? It's a threesome, a free for all. Huh, you see what I did there? A three for all. Yeah, a threesome, a thruple. Anyway, I'm done now. My beautiful people, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your homie, P Fire, aka P is for faded. See what I did? PH, faded. I'm getting worse, guys. I've never got any better. And yeah, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, you know what to do. Please like, subscribe, share, do the necessary. I'm trying to get this, you know, this channel like to the stratosphere, so please do everything you can and share and like and, you know, contact me and say hello. But yeah, this has been Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. You guys have been dope, I've been fly, and what more do we want on a beautiful sunny day? All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.